Par, magsimbang gabi na par. Outfit check. Naka-polo, naka-jacket, hammerhead jacket guys, hammerhead. Naka-patos, naka-pantalon. Kasi malapit ng simbang gabi na guys. So outfit check tayo guys kasi malamig ang panahon. Dapat naka-jacket tayo kasi para pampawala sa lamig. Yan guys, outfit check, outfit. Yan. Outfit check, polo, check. Rubber shoes, check. Pantalon, tsaka yung haircut, outfit check. Outfit check guys. Yan. Nakapantalon, so polo. Yan, outfit check guys. Yan, outfit check. Yan, jacket para mapawala sa lamig. Yan, outfit check. Nakapulo guys.